This 2024 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16 BHSW is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 21 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 5, microwave, external shower, air conditioning, stovetop burner, refrigerator, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16 BHSW is 3,367 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.